How to sell printable coloring pages for adults on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining what is Etsy.com or what is this platform. So in this platform, guys, you can sell or buy other people's products. You can sell your products obviously, or you can buy other people's products from this page. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products, and if you noticed, most of them are handmade products. As you can see, you have this plate or whatever it's called, those earrings, most of them are handmade products. So here, let's check one of these shop pages just to give you an idea about what I'm going to show you in this video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one. As you can see in here, how you're going to upload the pictures of your product, the video of your product, and the other pictures. And also I'm going to show you how you can write this headline or whatever it's called, and also I'm going to show you how to add those other details and how to write a description like this one, and how to set your shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the main page by clicking on the Etsy logo, or let's just go to the first page we opened, click on sign in, type your email, your password, and if you have no account, you can just click on register to register a new one, then click on sign in, and then you go to your top right, you click on the shop manager button in here. So just wait for it to complete loading, and then we will click on the shop manager button. So let's click on the shop manager button, and then we go to setting up our Etsy shop. So let's start from the beginning. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through to set up our shop page. So let's start with the shop preferences, where you choose your language, country, and the currency. And if you noticed, they are already chosen by default, as you can see. So I'm just going to change the currency of the store to the United States dollar. This makes it easier. Then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to choosing a name for your shop. So for me, I'm just going to go with the niche's name as my shop name, and here I'm going to remove all of these spaces, and then I'm going to try to shorten the name to just 20 characters or less, and that's it. Let's change it like this, and let's remove these ones, and then click on save and continue. And the third step is adding some photos and details about your item. So fill out what you can for now, or you'll be able to edit this later. So here the first step is adding some pictures of your product. As you can see, so you will need at least to add one picture of the product you have, and if you have more, you can just add as much as you have, every angle, primary photo, and so on. And if you want some tips of how you can create good pictures for your product, you can just read those, like use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn, or used, shoot against a clean, simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then we have the video. So here you can add a video of your product if you have one. If not, you can just leave it empty. And if you want quick tips for how to create a good video, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, adjust your settings to record a high resolution video, aim for 1080 pixels or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you type in the title of your product and then you answer these three questions: who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product, a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? Vintage, recently or not made yet. Let's go with recently. And then we have the category, so just type a keyword to see the categories related to that keyword. So here let's just go with the first one, which is coloring box, and here we have some additional details to fill. You can just leave them empty to later, they are optional. And then we have the renewal options. If you want an automatic renewal or a manual renewal, you can choose the one you want. Then you have the type, if you have a physical product or a digital one. And then you have the description, so make sure to type a good description for your product. And then you have the production partners, you can add them if you have one, if not just skip that. And then we have the inventory and pricing. Make sure to type a good price for your product with keeping in mind the margins and the profit and so on. Then you have the domestic and the global pricing. If you want to turn it off, the quantity that you have in that product, type it in here, the SKU number if you have one, and if there is any variations you can add them by clicking on the add variations button. And last but not least, we have the shipping settings and the returns and exchanges settings. So here you can just apply the 30 days policy, or you can just click on choose another policy, click on create policy, and you will be able to create your own returns and exchanges policy if you accept returns or if you accept exchanges, the time frame, and so on. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.